Good morning, everyone. My name is Salami. I'm from Bapatla Women's Engineering College. I'm studying final year in CRC department. I'm here excited to share my project with you, that is chart with website using a RAG pipeline. In this project, I have built a system that helps to get results based on the user queries from the website. These just get the data from the scraped websites. The system is super smart because it can scrape and store the website content and answers questions based on our user requirement. And it enables the user to give the query in natural language. So it is very super easy. And what is this project about? Let me expand this project. Here the goal is to make a system where we can ask questions about things on websites and it will find easily. The magic behind this Stack pipeline is it extracts the relevant information from the website and generates the well-formed. In simple terms, the system mainly does three things. It understands the data from the website, understands the user's question and search for the right data, and generate the response using the data that to give a great answer. Here, there are three functional requirements. First one, data ingestion. First, let's talk about data ingestion. Data ingestion means we're getting the website data that is ready for use. Here, we give the three website links, three or four website links. It processes the system to all the websites, which means it looks through the pages and scrapes the content. This includes tags, headings, and important details. Next, tags the key information and breaks the data into key chunks. Means it cuts the content into smaller pages that is easier to work with. Converts into embeddings and then stores everything. And the second functional requirement is query handling. Query handling means it takes the user's query, which is in natural language. Like we can ask we can ask queries like what's the programs at the University of Chicago offer, what's the admission deadline at Stanford. We can give whatever we want, whatever we require. Then the system process turns our question to the vector embeddings and then look for the most relevant chunks for the data, and it sends the chunks to the LLM, means large language model, which helps to generate the answer. And the third functional requirement is response generation. Response generation means finally we get the response here. This is why the system gives answer to us. Here input is relevant information retrieved from the vector database and the user query. The LLM uses this data to generate detailed response to answer our questions. So if you ask about any program, the system might say something like giving answers like this. So why this process is useful? It is useful for quick retrieval of information and accurate and contextual answers, and it enables user-friendly interaction. Means we can search any kind of data and we can retrieve that information and practical for many use cases. Okay, let me share. Here we are importing the module called import request. It brings in request library, which helps us to connect websites and download the content. And then we are importing the beautiful soap. This is a tool that helps to click and understand the HTML content of a website. And we are importing logging. Logging helps we can track the what's happening in our programs, send messages if there are errors like this. And class colors. We can give class colors like red, green, yellow, blue, and we can reset also. The class holds different colors that we can make the output much more colorful determined. Like we can beautifully represent our source code, and this function def retrieve underscore website underscore data of URL used to retrieve the website data. This function mainly gets the content of a website that we can get in a link, and this function def underscore search underscore for content. It mainly does plain text for the from the website. In def underscore scraper, we given the website's names means we given the input names, U Chicago website, Washington website, and Stanford website, and URD website like this. For each website, uh, the logging info, the statement successfully retrieved content. If we get the information, it gives the output statement like successfully retrieved content from the respective website and the content. We can give the query in user input box so that if we type any query in the box, it displays the result. These are the links. These are the colors that can be set to the links. Now I'm going to run this code. I tried this, that's why. Yeah, the U Chicago website is getting 403 client error because securely they provide security to their their URL so that we can't scrape any type of any kind of data. So I'm searching for academics because these are the universities. So that's why it will be common, right? Yes, we can get the results from the Stanford University. The Stanford University has the academics. So if you want to navigate to the links, you can navigate by these links to the websites and URLs. Thank you. That's all about this project. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.